Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get an invoice from Shein. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open up your Shein app, and before we get into the video, you cannot download an invoice using the Shein app at this point in time. So I'm recording this video in June 2024. The way to get an invoice from Shein is to make sure you're on the shop tab, click on the me tab after that, and then from here you want to click onto support, and then scroll down a bit and then click on where it says customer service. And now down below you can type your message here. So for this, say you want to download an invoice, or can Shein send you an invoice for a particular order, and then Shein customer representatives will get back to you and send out that invoice for that particular order. So for example, down below type in something like this. So as you can see, I said, hey, can I please get an invoice for my order XXX? So put in your order obviously there, and then they'll state here, please select the order you want to check. So then put in your order, etc. And then I will say, can